Pero maganda ka. Laing maling batasan.
Doon sana yung namin sa bata ka pa.
Yun to pala siya pag low-bat, nagpa-fluctuate.
Oh, yeah, yung whiteboard. I need that.
May pushing ba?
Pagsasando na. Ang pangtakay talaga tapos nakapang-kwintas ng mga ano. Si JP po, kumukuha po ng tinapay.
Hindi ko siya sinulat eh.
He's missing one. The pill.
Ito si Dylan.
Wala bunga. Wow!
Ay, sorry.
Gawin na natin yung script. Tsaka song.
Yun nga yun.
Kasi okay na tayo dyan. Kailangan din magpahinga kung mag...
Nalakan pa, nalakan. Kailangan nilang mag-construct. Kailangan pa na ituro.
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Wala ay gusto.
Wow! Let's go, let's go!
Wala ay gusto.
Wow! Mamaya na to, te. Diri naman, ibilin naman gyapon na diri. Outro na lang ta para maka-prepare.
Kompleto na.
Outro na tayo siguro para makapag...
Ay, sorry. Magluluto ako.
Outro na tayo para makapag-ganda tayo ng ano.
Tapos after yung explain ko lang po yung ginawa namin.
Actually, yun yung dapat gawin natin.
Explain.
Before sila mag-outro.
Ah, okay.
Oh, sige.
Go, go,
Tayo
go.
sila.
Guys.
Guys, dito muna, dito
Para
muna.
wrap up yung weekly leaders. Hindi, huwag na lang tayo sabay. Sige.
Sige.
Oo nga ba ako pagkalitin?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Ang likod ko dun.
Some might say it was intentional.
Kompleto na.
Oh.
Si Rain.
Rain!
Almost like.
Ayaw mo mag-end. Let go.
Sige, kamusta? Ako mag-end.
Okay, so me and Dylan would just like to open up to everyone why we did the certain exercise. So some might say na it was too low or too insensitive, but it's really part of acting. In acting kasi, you have to use, and I think it's all better if you use your own emotions, if you use your own experiences. Maliban na lang sa nangyari kanina kay Jar na we used a what-if situation, which is very risky at the same time, but I asked for consent also kay Jaren if it's okay to use what-if. So certain things like that, nakikita mo kasi yan sa eyes pag totoo na yung nararamdaman. So, certain exercises that we did, or every time we do a scene, since it's film kasi and ganon, tinatanong talaga, who is your karga? Sino yung pinakamabigat na tao sa buhay mo? Sino yung pinaka-important na person sa buhay mo? Or that relates to the, let's say, to the line or to the certain scene, para dun huhugutan. So, kaya sometimes babang-baba na because hindi ma-hit yung right spot for the certain emotion that we want to show. So, kunwari nung kay JP, tumawa pa siya eh. So, nasaktan na yon deep inside. Like, it slightly affected him. Pero, it's not there yet. Kasi tumawa pa siya and he got distracted with other people pa. And it wasn't there yet. Makikita yan sa mata if genuine yung nasaktan ka or parang kurot lang and then nawala. So in certain acts and certain scenes, ganun talaga, kailangan give all ka kasi and bigay. So maybe some of you might say na that was very insensitive of me saying na, oh, sila masaya, mapumatayan, ganun. But that's the reality of acting. You really have to hit the right spot. The directors will definitely hit the right spot para makuha lang yung perfect emotion. And na-feel namin yung lahat. Dylan will explain the letting go later. I think he's the perfect person to speak letting go. Pero yeah, I just want to explain, I really want to explain na don't take things personally. It's also there to help you as future actors, as future actresses. And I'm still learning also that letting go also is one of the hardest thing that I do. Even the best of the best actors, letting go is really hard. There's a time na may scene ako, sobrang bigat. Scene ako, kasama pa kami the entire night. Pag uwi ko, I broke down and nagpalpitate ako and I couldn't breathe because ganun kabigat kasi hindi ko siya na-let go. So it's really difficult to let go and to release all the emotions out because it's stuck in your mind. Pero yun lang, it's there because actors use their own emotions to make it more realistic para relate. Because when you act, yes, you're acting, but when you act being an actor, it's not authentic. You know, there are certain movies na alam mo na pag tinitingnan mo, ay, mali yung acting niya. Because you shouldn't. It should be natural. It should be organic because us people, we feel the pain. So pag nakikita ko na, grabe yung iyak niya, madadala ka din sa iyak because alam mo na feel yung pain. Kesa sa someone who's just there trying to act being sad, it's not giving. Kaya diba sometimes when you look at movies, you look at series, sasabihin mo na, ay, hindi naman siya magaling na artista. Because siguro, hindi na ilabas also yung the right and proper emotions. But that's for me, so I hope that we don't take things personally. This week is gonna be hard, although we have certain characters naman na we play. But study your character talaga. Know ano yung mga emotions na dapat i-feel ng character mo. If it's love, if it's jealousy, if it's getting what you really want, taking your power back, you have to really feel in the emotions and dig deeper. What's the strongest point? Kunwari, jealousy. Yung role, let's say, role ni Fiang, she's gonna fight for what she needs to fight. She's gonna fight for her love for Jaren and para maging good daughter siya sa parents niya. So, huhugutan niya ni Fiang sa real life situation niya. Na she wants to become a good daughter sa parents niya. At the same time, go back to a place na you really want someone that you really fought for him or her or like a specific person para mas authentic and mas ma-feel. For Jaren, in love siya kay Kai and she wants to persuade Kai so much. So go to a place wherein ganon. Pero because it's killing, you have to use Kai. Like, di ba?
Sexual chemistry.
Dapat si Kai. So the thing that we did also with Jaren and Kai, that's called the sexual chemistry. It starts off with them, dapat may connection. They have to look each other's eyes, feel the pain of each other, and then biglang, this is the things that I like about you. Because you have to build chemistry and connection. So yun. So yun lang, explain lang so that you'll also understand where you're coming from. And moving forward in the coming days, you'll also know how to release the emotions na walang magsasalita. Ikaw na kusang, you'll also know how to release the emotions na walang magsasalita. Ikaw na kusang inner monologue mo, alam mo na anong dapat na emotions ma-feel, anong emotions dapat gamitin. So at the end of the day, the Weekly Talks leaders are there to help you, and Dylan and I also will help because at the end of the day, this is a teamwork. This is for us to have Carney also next week and to give them a good show. So yun, that's for me. Dylan will open up the letting go part.
Medyo papasok lang ako sa intro. Ang acting po, maraming techniques yan. Isang technique lang po yung binigay namin ngayon. It's called Chabak technique. Yun yung ginagamit for film and TV sa Hollywood. So, dahil musical to, it doesn't necessarily mean na kailangan gamitin yung technique na ginagamit namin. Gusto ko lang iparanas sa inyo. Total, sabi nga ni Binsoy, gusto niyang maranasan kung paano ba, ano bang ginagawa, ganyan. So, it's madaming techniques. Meissner, basta yun. Chabak, theater, iba yung theater.
Iba yung theater.
Pero given nga sa mga characters and sa genre natin which is rom-com, medyo critical po tayo sa connection ng leads. So yun talaga, feeling ko, kailangan yung gawin. Pero doon naman sa sad na hindi na kailangan gawin yun. Pina-experience na talaga namin sa inyo.
Totoo.
Hindi na yun kailangan.
Because sad naman dapat.
Oo. Wala man tayo masyadong sad. Wala tayong masyadong sad.
Sa bandang huli lang. Pero
Si Kai lang ang
si Kai lang.
But more of Kai.
Yeah. And then, ayun, ang napansin ko lang sa karamihan, lalo na syempre, na-awkward kayo. Ako din naman, ganoon ako sa pagdating sa pagkanta, sa pagsayaw, na-awkward pa ako. So, maintain nyo yung emotion ba? Nandun kayo eh. Tapos parang nag-cringe kayo kasi nandun na kayo. Which is a good thing kasi nga, nakakarating kayo doon sa emotion na hinihingi ng character. Isipin nyo na lang, hindi kayo yon. Binibigay buhay nyo lang yung character. Which is yun yung work natin. Di ba? Trabaho natin yun as great actors. Kailangan may pakita yung emotion ng character. That's why, sino ba mga magaling na actors for you? John Lloyd. Joshua Garcia. Di ba? Catherine Bernardo. Di ba? Di ba? So, wag niyong separate identity yung ako at saka yung character. So, pag in character na kayo, yun na yun. Walang bibitaw. Ako si uncle. Ako si lead man. Best friend. Ako si lead man. Ganon. So, ganon lang. I-separate lang natin and wag masyadong mag-focus sa character. Pag time na mag-relax tayo kasi sobrang nakaka-drain po siya. Nakakapagod siya emotionally. Mas nakakapagod, mapagod emotionally kaysa physically. So, yung letting go naman, ayun nga, kasama na yun sa part na yun na hiwalay. Pagtapos na yung heavy scene mo or yung malungkot na scene mo, kasi usually yun yung mahirap i-let go eh. Ang masaya scene, kahit wag mo na i-let go, masaya ka naman eh. So, yung heavy scene mo, pagkatapos na, or na-end na yung play, hinga ka na, stretching, ganyan, inom kang tubig, kung anong gusto mo, para masaya, or pag-usapan nyo yung emotions. Iiyak mo kung naiiyak ka. Kung ayaw mo makita ka na umiiyak, iyak mo sa CR, iyak mo sa kwarto, pero kailangan mo i-let go. Pag kasi nandito yan, feeling mo lalagnatin ka. Ganun yung, may mga ganun akong, taping na experience ko yung sobra-sobra sa emotion, tas lalagnatin na ako. Kasi hindi ko na-release. So, kailangan natin sila i-release, and gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo guys, hindi basta-basta yung tinuro namin, pero hindi rin kami credited to teach. Tinitch lang namin yung mga natutunan namin. Hindi pa kami ganun hindi pa ako masters. Andun pa lang ako studying ako sa advanced class. Pati si Jas. So, intro, advanced, tas master class. So, nasa advanced pa kami. So, I'm happy lang to share my knowledge, to share our knowledge, and sana may natutunan po kayo.
Thank you, Jas. Thank you, Dylan.
Iba yung character nyo, but then help your character through your experiences. Because at the end of the day, pain fuels everything. Talaga. Like, that's true. So, parang, this is work is work. Separate siya sa any personal things that we, ganun. And if you feel like it's too much, it's not working for you, sabihin nyo lang. Yun lang naman eh.
If it's not working, you can try another technique.
Because iba-iba din naman yung technique or what really works for you. Yeah.
Saka lang din, hindi naman porket walang sad moment yung character nyo, wala nang kwenta yung ginawa natin ngayon.
Opo,
kasi
tama.
Lahat ng, like let's say sa acting, the best experience or the best teacher nga is experience. So, kung lahat yan na experience mo, lahat ng emotion mo, alam mo kung kailan mo siya babalikan. Alam mo kung kailan mo siya magagamit. Malalaro mo siya in a way. So, alam mo kung ano isipin mo, what kind of mindset you're gonna go into, para ma-tap into mo yung hinahanap sa'yo na emotion, na action, na mindset. Kasi, at some point din, sabi nga ni Dylan, ang pinakamagagaling na artista, na actors, ay yung mga baliw. Kasi in a way, na-alter nila yung brain chemistry nila, napapaniwala nila yung sarili nila. Pero hindi naman literal na baliw, more like, kaya lang nilang gawin yun. Parang ganun, parang kaya nilang utuin yung sarili nila na ito talaga sila. Kaya yung iba, di ba, parang pansin nyo, bulky sila ngayon, pero dun sa movie, sobrang papayat nila. So, umabot na sa ganong point na Di sila kumakain para ma-achieve yung ganong katawan. Di sila kumakain para ma-achieve nila yung mindset na wala siyang makain. Di ba? May ganon eh. So, it's really important to know and, well, siguro in a way, empathy din. Parang ganon. So, yun. Kasama yun. So, super thank you, Jas Dylan. Super solid na, kasi actually yan talaga yung task for this one. Talagang maturo, mapakita nyo, ma-explain namin yung dalawa, yung Tagalog and yung Bisaya na phrase, tapos mapakita, sabi ni Kuya, mapakita yung tamang emosyon, which is, I believe, nagawa naman natin today. So, guys, clap it.